Hi, this is Dahi Vada Masala and that is our Dahi Bhalle. We are going to show you Dahi Bhalle tomorrow, but today we are going to show you how to make this awesome Dahi Bhalle Masala. Welcome to Desilicious Kitchen, friends. This Dahi Bhalle Masala stays well even for up to 2 months and you can use it in so many other things. So let's see how to make this. Friends, if you like our recipes, subscribe to our channel Desilicious Kitchen and press the bell icon to receive notifications. We've taken half tablespoon ajwain or carrom seeds, 1 tablespoon black peppercorn or kali mirch, 1 tablespoon jeera or cumin seeds. So 1 tablespoon each of cumin seeds and black peppercorn, and chaat masala 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon lal mirch or red chilli powder, and rock salt 1 tablespoon. Now heat a pan and add jeera or cumin seeds, ajwain or carrom seeds, kali mirch or black peppercorn, and roast on a very low flame. We are going to roast on a very low flame for about 2 minutes. Now it is 2 minutes and you can see that all of these ingredients have been roasted well. We have switched off the flame and we have transferred all these to a mortar and pestle. Now let us crush coarsely first and then add chaat masala, lal mirch or red chilli powder, rock salt. Mix well and now again pound the masala. Pounding this way gives us a very tasty masala. And as I said, you can use this masala for many things. We have made it for dahi bhalla, but we can also use it for raita, for salads, for any other chaat. This masala, as I said, stays good for at least 2 months. So tomorrow, as I said, we are coming with dahi bhalla recipe. Hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now. Take care.